Our software has a very robust yet simple website builder that you can use to build websites for your business. If you're working with us and using our software, we probably already built you a website. We build websites for 99% of our clients. But for whatever reason, if we didn't build you a website, or if you just want to build a second website for a different side of your business or just a different business in general that you have, you can build as many websites as you want inside of our platform. I'm going to show you how to use the website builder in this video. After you're done building your website, you can then connect a domain to your website through GoDaddy, Cloudflare, HostGator, Namecheap, Google Domains. I'll show you how to do that in another video, but this video is going to be focused on the website builder itself and how to build websites. So inside of the Sites tab, we're going to be under the Websites tab. In another video, we showed you how to build funnels. Funnels are a little bit different. Funnels are a very specific offer for your business, and it just talks about one thing, whereas a website will talk about all the different facets of your business and the products and services that you offer. And so we're going to hit New Website right here. And just to show you real quick, we have over 1,000 website templates that you can choose from that make building out your website really easy. And so I'm going to show you some of these templates. We're going to hit From Templates, Continue, and then we can see all the templates over here on the left. If you scroll down, we have thousands of them. It'll keep going. For whatever reason, they're over on the left side today. Usually it'll cover the whole screen, but we can just click Load More, and we can filter by niche. So if we scroll back to the top, we can go through all these different niches: automotive, beauty and fashion, business coaching, consulting, creative, and we can choose from a ton of different niches. But we're going to choose this one right here. I'm going to click on it. We're going to preview it real quick. We can expand it by clicking these little arrows. We can kind of see what it looks like, what the layout of it is. I like it, so we're going to hit Continue up here at the top right. And then it'll add this template to our website template library. It'll pop up here with all the pages just like this. And then we can click and edit each individual page. A little bit different from the funnel builder. The funnel builder, we edit by steps, which technically are pages, but it kind of shows it more in a step fashion. Whereas the website builder shows it in a page fashion. So we have our home page, contact page, schedule a call, thank you, link in bio, all these different types of pages included with our website. I'm just going to click on this one, this homepage here. If you click on it, it'll open it up into our website editor, and I want to show you how to use this website editor a little bit in this video. Obviously, can't cover everything, or else it'd be like an hour or 2 hour long video, but I'll show you a lot of the basics, and you can figure out a lot of this stuff. It's really simple to use, but everything is encompassed in boxes here. So we have like larger boxes. Inside the larger boxes, we have smaller boxes. And so we can select these larger boxes, and this would be the background image here. We can change out this image over here on the right. Everything, if you click on an element, everything in the styling for that element and the text inside that element or whatever is in there is styled over on the right here. And so if we wanted to change that image, background image here, we could click this little image button and upload our own image in here. I'm not going to change it, but you can click on this button here, and then you can change the text of the button. So we could say book now instead. And then we can add subtext to the button, like start today, and you can kind of style your buttons and everything like that. And then up here, we can change the background color of the button if we wanted it to be blue or green. I like the yellow, so we're going to keep it yellow. But you can change all the different styling, font sizes on desktop, font size, sub font size on desktop, and then you can also switch this over to mobile and change the font size on mobile. We can toggle between desktop and mobile right here, and we can edit inside of mobile. And let's say we wanted to change something in mobile, but we don't want it to show in desktop. Let's say for this example, we wanted to clone this button here. I just clicked the clone right there, and we wanted 2 buttons on mobile for whatever reason, but we didn't want 2 buttons on desktop. You'll see it added the button on desktop. Any changes you make between mobile and desktop will also change it on the other. And so if we want to hide this button on desktop, we can go to the advanced settings. We select the button, go to advanced, and then we can hide it, the visibility on desktop. So now if we switch back over to desktop, it will only have the 1 button. It won't show this second button that we added. So you can add different things like that. You can change images. Just click on the section you want to change. You can change font colors, and it's really easy to use. It's very simple. You can change the margin and padding. So if we wanted more padding above this button, we could click on the padding right there, and we could drag this, and it'll add some space above, and you can edit things just like that. Just be careful when you edit on desktop. Also check how it looks on mobile, so you like how it looks on mobile as well. And then if we want to add different elements, let's say we wanted to add something below this Book Now button, we can click the little plus sign below this orange box. And over on the left, we have different elements we can add in: headlines, subheadlines, paragraph, bulleted lists, another button, a form. Let's say we wanted to have a form right here. We can click form, and then we can select from the forms that we have in our account. We create the forms in a separate form builder inside of the Sites tab, which I'll show you a video on how to do that in a little bit, but we can select from our forms. Let's say it's this case study form, and it'll auto-populate the form right onto the website. Maybe we want to add a little bit of spacing between the Book Now button and the form, and so we can add a little bit of margin right here, and so it spaces it out a little bit. And that's how we can embed forms right on our website. So we build the form in the form builder, which I will show you in another video how to build those forms, and then we can embed them on here. If you want to add a calendar to your website, you can do the same. We can add another element over on the left here, we can go down to where it says calendar, and then we can select from our different calendars in our account. So let's say it's this business booking calendar. It'll embed the calendar right onto the website. Looks like this one's not showing up for whatever reason. Maybe we'll do it further down where it looks better. We'll add a box here underneath this blue box. We'll do a single column, and then we'll add an element inside of it, and then we'll do the calendar here instead. And so it'll actually pop up this time. And so it'll pop up and auto-populate just like this on your website. And so people can now book through your website just like this. When you're editing the website, it's not going to load the calendar. We'll actually have to preview it in order to see what it looks like. So you can preview it up here at the top. We're going to save this real quick, all the changes that we've made. And then we can click the little eyeball button right here, and we can preview what the website looks like live. So we can actually fill in the form here, put in our info, and then we can see here what our calendar looks like live. We can select a date, time, and then fill out a form and actually book an appointment right here on this calendar. So we're going to jump back over to the website builder, and we can actually add pop-ups that pop up over the website. And so we can do that by clicking right here where it says pop-up settings. And we have this pop-up already built out in this template, and we can add and change the image. Change here, we can add our own form. We can go over here and we can add which form we want to add on this pop-up. And so we can add that same form. And so you can have pop-up messages. And then we can manage the pop-up settings by clicking right here, pop-up settings. And then over here on the right, we can add some styling to the pop-up and just different things right here. And just after you make any changes on your website, just make sure to go up and click save and make sure everything is saved before you back out or switch pages. We're going to go up right here. We're going to click pages, and we can switch to another page of our website, and we can edit the contact page now. So that's how you go through, and now we can edit our contact page and so we can select from all of our different pages here and quickly jump between them. And then once we're done editing our pages, we can update our SEO metadata. This is for helping our website rank on Google. We can click SEO, and then we can add in different things like our content and then our keywords, the author, social image, all this kind of stuff will help Google be able to read what our website is about, and we can fill all this information in. And so Google will now be able to know this is a website about travel or about, a travel company. So we can start ranking higher on Google. A few different things you can kind of go through and play around with up here as well. But yeah, that's the gist of our website builder. Just always make sure you go through desktop and mobile, make sure it looks good on both, make sure it's working on both the way that you want it, and then save. And then if your website is live, make sure to publish it and publish those changes live so everybody can see it who goes to your website in the future. If you have any questions or need any help with our website builder, you can always reach out to support, and we're happy to help you out. But if you just play around with the website builder for a little bit, you can really build out a really clean looking website within just a few hours, especially using our website templates. And so we hope you have fun with this, building out different websites for your businesses, and we'll see you guys in the next video.